Helo, shwmai a chroeso nôl I ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmai and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Today is all about learning how to get from A to B in Welsh. That's right, I am going to be teaching you how to talk about all the different ways to travel in Welsh. Mudiau, trafnidiaeth yn y Gymraeg. Ready for the journey? Barod? Here we go.
Beic, bike. Car, car. Awyren, aeroplane. Cwch, boat. Llong, ship. Tren, train. Bws, bus. Lorry, lorry. Hofrennydd, helicopter. Cerdded, to walk. Here are those modes of transport one more time for you. Dyma'r mudiau teithio unwaith eto I chi.
Whew, what a journey. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Welsh Wednesdays. Join us next week for more. Hwyl am y tro. Goodbye for now.